Hello and magandang araw sa inyo. Once again, this is Coach Jay and welcome to this brand new training. Okay, today yung pag-uusapan natin ay ang Facebook Ads 101. Alright, so ang goal natin for this lesson is you could be able to launch with you your very own Facebook ads. Okay, so before we will start, I want you to do now is to give me your full attention and take away all the distraction. Alright, kung ano man yung mga distraction ngayon dyan sa paligid mo, so alisin mo muna yan para makapag-focus ka dito sa lesson natin. And get your pen and paper para makapag-jot down notes ka sa mga important things na kailangan mong i-note. So are you excited to start with this training? Kasi ako, I am so excited kasi you will now start learning this very amazing technology na before kasi this is not available for everyone. Yung may access lang dito ay yung mga big time people or wealthy entrepreneurs lang. And ngayon, this platform is now open for everyone who really wants to learn this kind of technology in advertising using Facebook platform. Alright? So this is a huge opportunity for you to learn which is not available way years back. Okay? So the good thing here is you could learn this lesson or you could learn this amazing technology for free in our team here in Technoworld Creator. So you don't need to pay for a premium courses just to learn Facebook ads kasi ibinibigay lang namin ito for free here in our team. Alright? So before we will get started kung paano talaga gamitin ang Facebook ads, how can you set up Facebook ads, we really need to understand first the philosophy behind Facebook ads. Alright? So ano ba talaga ang Facebook ads? So what is Facebook ads? Okay? So first is in layman's terms, sa simplest term, Facebook ads is binabayaran lang natin si Facebook para ipakita niya sa tao kung ano man yung mga pinopromote natin. Alright? So kung ano man yung mga ibinebenta natin. So yun yung simplest term na pwede natin i-define what is Facebook ads. Alright? So, ganito kasi yon. Maraming mga nagsasabi, coach, bakit kailangan pa mag-Facebook ads? Pwede naman ako mag-post sa mga groups, pwede naman ako mag-post sa Facebook profile ko, and if ever, kung meron kang page, kung marami kang followers, sabihin mo, bakit kailangan ko pang mag-Facebook ads? Meron naman akong page na maraming likers, so pwede ko naman doon i-promote yung mga ino-offer ko. So the reason why you need Facebook ads is number one, in Facebook ads kasi you can target people. Alright? So ito kasi yung meron dito sa Facebook ads. Pag sinabi kasi natin you can target people, for example, you are offering something now, shall we say may products and services kang ino-offer. So, meron tayong tinatawag dyan na target market. So, ito yung mga taong possible na potential na magkaka-interest sa ino-offer mo or ibinebenta mo. So, these people are called target market. Okay? So, I just want to state you an example. Actually, siguro marami sa inyong nakakakita na nito. No? So, nakakita ka na ba ng taong naglalako ng paninda sa daan or yung mga taong nagbabahay-bahay? So, I'm pretty sure na nakakita kayo nito kasi marami ito sa atin, no? So, can you imagine? So, ang hirap ng ganon kasi if you are in this situation, hindi mo alam kung yung mga bawat bahay na pupuntahan mo or pagbebentahan mo ay bibili ng ibinebenta mo. So, ganon siya kahirap. So, and that are the difficulties na hindi mo na mai-experience now here if you use Facebook ads correctly. Kasi sa Facebook ads, you can set it na ipakita lang sa mga taong alam mong magkaka-interest lang sa ibinebenta mo or in-offer mo kung ano man yung pinopromote mo. Alright? So for example, you have products. Now shall we say feminine products. So pwede mo i-target para sa mga female audiences lang. At hindi naman pwede kasi pagbentahan natin ng feminine products sa mga lalaki, di ba? Okay? So first thing is hindi naman yan essential para sa mga lalaki. Kaya hindi talaga sila bibili sa mga products na yan. So ganun siya kaganda pag alam mo yung Facebook ads. Okay, so another example, kung may mga products ka naman for age demographics, yung mga products mo is for 30 years old to 50 years old. Now, you can target using Facebook ads that age para sa products na ino-offer mo. So, madali na lang yan siya i-market pa sa mga taong na interested talaga sa mga products and services na ino-offer mo. Kasi, si Facebook kasi ngayon, sobrang dami ng Facebook users, no? So, alam nyo ba na ang Pilipinas na almost 60% sa mga Pilipino ay gumagamit na ng Facebook? And that's why, tinagurian tayo na social media capital of the world, no? Kasi dahil kadalasan sa atin ay maraming babad talaga sa social media compared to other countries. So ganun katindi ang mga Pilipino, guys. Okay? So example naman ng another target market ay for example, if you are living here in the Philippines, so as mentioned, tayo nga dito sa Pilipinas, we are the social media capital of the world kasi tayo yung pinakamaraming babad talaga sa social media. Right? So, here in Facebook ads kasi, you can target people who are just living in one place. Now, let's say for example, here in the Philippines, so pwede mo silang i-target. So, yung mga taong nasa Pilipinas. You can target also worldwide kung gugustuhin mo. And you can imagine that this goes beyond mere posting something on your Facebook profile, no? Which is very limited lang. Kasi pag Facebook profile lang yung pinag-uusapan natin, yung mga friends mo lang yung makakakita sa mga pinopost mo. And if you are doing Facebook ads, napakalawak, napakalayo ng mararating, and you can even reach millions of peoples on your post, no? Literally, yes. You can reach millions of people by just using Facebook ads. Imagine, if you have a business and you can reach millions of people who is interested sa products and services na ino-offer mo, sabihin na lang natin, kahit 1% lang sa kanila yung bumili, no? What if 1% lang sa kanila ang nag-avail sa products and services mo? So ano sa tingin mo ang magiging impact niyan sa business mo? So it will be a big impact in your business. So it is a very big time para ang impact nito sa business mo. So amazing, right? So napakaganda talaga ng Facebook ads. Now, if you're a business owner naman, no, sabihin na lang natin business owner ka or you are planning to start your own business in the future, then this is a very good opportunity kasi napakaganda ng Facebook platform in advertising. This is a very good platform para pasukan mo. Okay, so another reason, so why Facebook ads, sa sobrang daming data kasi ni Facebook, na-predict niya na yung best results para sa para sa ads mo. No matter what your goal is, if ever you are posting something na you want more video views, now just like for example, gusto mo magkaroon ng maraming views sa video mo, pwede yun siya. Gusto mo maging you need more post likes, so pwede yun. Post comments, so pwede rin yung ganon. Sa sobrang daming data kasi na ni Facebook, now you can set target goals to those people who most likely will take action doon sa ino-offer mo. So ganun kaganda itong Facebook ads. Alright? So actually, Facebook ads is a very huge platform and very wide yung scope niya, no? So I will be explaining things in the simplest manner para maintindihan lang natin. Dahil as what I've said, Facebook ads is a very huge platform and ang dami mong dapat matutunan. But we will be chopping all the necessary information and I will compress it and I will try to explain to you in layman's term why Facebook ads is the best when you use it properly. Alright? So, again, back to the topic. Lahat ng businesses kasi ngayon, no, sabihin na lang natin any form of business. Now, for example, lahat kasi ng businesses kahit hindi business, no, actually, pwede sa Facebook ads. Even though for personal use, not only for business. Sabihin na lang natin, I will start it from business. I will give you an example. Alright? So, sabihin na lang natin, ikaw ngayon ay isang real estate agent or you are in the real estate industry. So, pwede itong Facebook ads. Now, let's say for example, you are in the e-commerce field. So, pwede din yun. Pwede mong gamitin si Facebook ad platform. Mapa-dentist ka man, doctor, or may restaurant ka, may parlor ka, or kung meron ka mga beauty products, all those businesses who needs customer, and most of our customers kasi are here in Facebook. Alright? So may kasabihan nga tayo. So the more you go where your customer are staying is, the more chances of success sa business mo. So ngayon kasi ang nangyari dito, lahat ng customers natin or potential customers natin ay nasa Facebook na. So we will be using Facebook platform para sa business natin. And Facebook is the best, no? Is the best medium for you to use if you are in the business field these days. Right? So, yung next naman na pag-uusapan natin is what are the things you need to prepare in order for you to start running your own Facebook ads. So, ito yung mga kailangan nating i-prepare para pwede na tayong mag-Facebook ads later, para makapag-set up na tayo ng Facebook ads natin. Alright? So, meron tayong checklist dito. Ito yung requirements. Okay, so number 1 is you need an active Facebook account. Okay, so at least 3 years old and above. Ito yung standard na recommended ko for me, no? Which is best talaga na gamitin natin. Why 3 years old and above, coach? Okay, so Facebook kasi, si Facebook, napaka-strict niya in terms of user's identity, no? So, kinikilatis talaga ni Facebook na yung account ba na ginagamit mo ay ikaw ba talaga yung nagmamay-ari niyan, or ikaw ba talaga yung tunay na may-ari niyan before you are qualified to run Facebook ads. Kasi ganito kasi yung nangyayari. Sometimes maraming mga nagtatry or nag-a-attempt mag-run ng Facebook ads using newly created Facebook account and hindi ito nagtatagal. Usually 2 to 3 days lang yan siya. Na-set up mo man yung mga kailangan mong i-set up, pero ibaban talaga yan ni Facebook. Kasi as what I've said, Facebook is very strict in terms of Facebook users identity. So kinikilatis niya muna if old Facebook user ba yan or bago lang, kaka-create lang. Right? So number 2 naman is kailangan mong magkaroon ng credit card or Visa, Mastercard, or kung meron kang Amex, pwede yun siya. So ito yung magsisilbing billing mo or dito dadaan yung payment natin. So if ever wala kang credit card or wala kang Visa card or Mastercard, so yung mare-recommend ko sa inyo is you can apply the Union Bank. So mag-apply kayo ng Union Bank using just your phone. So actually pwede mo yang gawin ngayon kung wala ka pa talagang credit card. Kasi dito kasi sa billing ni Facebook, yung requirements niya talaga is dapat credible and legit talaga yung magiging payment method mo. Hindi acceptable dito yung Paymaya, yung GCash, so hindi yun siya pwede para sa Facebook ads natin. So if ever wala ka pa yun, as what I've said, you can apply for Union Bank, no? So pwede yun siya online and i-deliver naman yung physical card sa iyo. Wala kang babayaran. And the good thing here in Union Bank kasi, there is no minimum maintaining balance. So yun yung advantage na. Pero if ever meron ka ng mga debit cards dyan, acceptable naman yung BDO. I think acceptable yun siya. Yung iba pang debit card. Huh? So pwede rin yun. Okay, so number 3 naman is personal computer or laptop. Okay? So if you are really planning to run Facebook ads, so dapat meron kang personal computer or laptop. So, coach, wala ako na yan. Meron akong cellphone. So, I do not recommend using phone or tablet lang in running Facebook ads. Kasi, actually, pwede naman yun siya. Pwede yung phone, pwede yung tablet. But, yung interface kasi sa phone is different quite on the PC or laptop. Mas marami kasi yung integration pag yung laptop, pag yung computer yung ginagamit natin. So I do not suggest using mobile phone. So you can use mobile phone if you are just checking the performance of your ads. Pwede yun siya. But if you are trying to set up your ads, I really recommend na dapat meron kang personal computer and laptop. Okay, so number 4 is you need a good internet connection. Since we are in this type of business, which is online business nga, so kailangan natin magkaroon ng stable internet connection for us to check if okay ba yung mga setup natin. So this is the very essential thing na dapat meron ka if you are doing an online business. So, dito, ito lang yung mga pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Again, so meron ka ng prior knowledge what is Facebook ads, and you have already the knowledge also what are the things that you need to prepare before you will jump in starting running your Facebook ads. Alright, so hanggang dito lang muna tayo on this video. So, marami pa tayong pag-uusapan sa next video natin. So, see you on the next video.